How you guys doing? You know me. This is Martin. I've been, my series, 36 months to pay off your car loan without giving up Starbucks or being cheap. I've been seeing some of you guys have been looking at my series back, and like I told you, look back the one. Look at the series I have back in 2014, 2015, because that's when you used to have places like a Macy's and JCPenney's where you would just do sales and people would actually come in and you can make money. I think I worked at a Donald Trump convention one time. That was way back, probably like 2013, 2014, maybe back 2001. Just like I just worked all those jobs. So I knew when I came to 2014, 2015, I knew how to look through Craigslist, go to the temporary employment places, and sometimes go knock on doors, say, hey, my name is Martin, need some help. That's what I got to do now. I'm like saying, okay, I'm just have to go to these places, just get out of obscurity, say, hey, my name's Martin. What can I do to help you increase your customers? That's it. I mean, I'm just going to go call, just start going in. What can I do to help out, man? I had to raise $12,584. And I don't think I'm going to make that work in one shift at the BNP tennis tournament. Man, I thought I was going to work all those weekends. I went in there, signed up, man. I had my tie on. I thought, oh my God, it's looking good. I was like, man, they're going to hook me up. They're going to want somebody. I said, I can work all those days. What did I say? I can work morning to close. Then I get 4 to 10 p.m. Man, I looked at that and I said, you know what? I think I need to learn how to go out and make more money, man. This is the second year in a row. Last year I went in and like you were on call. I think I got maybe like 4 hours and you got to go get the free food in the cafeteria if people didn't show up. So, and because the first year I worked, I made like $1,000 or something. I was making like $300 or $400 every weekend. It was like, this time they're like all breaking it up and stuff. So I was like, you know what? I'm a coward because I got to learn how to sales. First thing, learning how to sales, talking to people. Talking to men, talking to women. Talked to someone yesterday at the job. And like, I know you don't want to talk to the brother, but still, I need you to give me as much information as possible so I can help make an educated decision. Please, my white brother, help me. Come on, man. You don't want the brother out on the street. You don't want to see me. See this 6-foot bald-headed Negro pushing a cart. Come on, man. And I'm too old. I'm 51. I can't go work in no fulfillment center. I will pass out. I remember I worked at Macy's like 2014. That's when I first started working at Macy's, and first job I got was trying to do like a receiving job. Oh my God, I almost died. I had a pulled groin and you had to censor the stuff. I remember censoring stuff, bleeding, my blood going on stuff. I was like, man, and I remember she called me into her office and said, you're fired. I was like, thank you, because I suck. I was trying to sleep. I mean, I was working my other job during the day and I was working at night. It's like, I need to just learn how to fucking sell, man, because I'm too old for this shit, man. I can't do it, man. I ain't going to be no security job at no 50 years old. I'll just go pick up cans or something. Or, I don't know, sell porn. I don't know what I got to do when I get that older, man. Just pass off, hey, come visit this strip club. Come visit this strip club. Come visit this porn club. Because when it comes to hard labor, man, I just suck now. I can't do it, man. I can do it, but the pace I move, you'd be like, bro, by the time you finished, robots would have taken over the earth. It's like, you're probably right, man. So I need to go do something else. Sales, negotiation, that's all I'm going to do now. I learned from Grant. He's 61. It's like, go out there, learn how to make the money. So like I said, I know I see all these signs where businesses don't have money or they're like, for lease signs. I know there's problems out there because the companies don't know how to go out there. It's like getting money. Okay, getting money is just like getting pussy. Let's just cut to it, man. Sex. The more I finally found that out yesterday. You talk to enough women and they finally say, okay, bro, what you got, man? I'm going to dump my husband. I'm going to separate from him. It's like 2 or 3 women I've been talking to like, all right, what you got, man? You've been bugging me for the longest. I'm having problems at home. Homie's not delivering. What you got, man? What you got, man? What do you got for me? That's why I'm disappointed, because it's just like, I don't care. I don't want a 1-minute man. I want a man who has at least $100 or something. Well, I'm not always working. What you got, bro? What you got? So that's what I'm working on now. I'm delivering. I got a boyfriend. I'm living with him. I'm not married to him. So what you got, man? What you got, bro? Can you close the deal? Or are we just gonna have an affair? I go back home to my boyfriend. He's got it going on, and I'm out screwing everyone in sight, and he's just helping pay the rent. And that's a disaster anyway. But sales, they're both the same. That's what I finally learned. Some people talk to you, some people don't. You got to follow up. Just like Grant said, it took him 18 months to get his wife. And then you just got to follow up. Hey, I know you don't like me. I know you think, hey, I sleeping with everyone else. Probably am. But even if I'm doing that, what if I'm the guy that can at least help solve some problems and help you to avoid the pain of not getting what you want quicker? What is that worth to you? Where can you slot me into your life if I'm calling? Hey, this is Martin. What's going on? What can I help you out? Hey, I know you got divorced. I know you did. I know you got 3 or 4 kids. Even though you have 3 or 4 kids, is that going to prevent you from going out with me? Maybe that's the reason why you should go out with you. It's because you know, like, you have enough kids. I know you don't want to have any more kids, so you're going to, hey, either someone's going to have to get something cut, something's going to have to get covered or something, because I know you don't want no more kids. So, I mean, that's the reason why I say, hey, Martin, I just want someone to hang out with. You can have sex, we can drink and party, but no more little ones, bro. I got 4. I can't handle no more. I'm about to dump my man, too, so, hey, you going to have to deliver something. Got to get up. Little cheddar, Martin. So yeah, sales, just like sales, I gotta ask for the money. Sir, I don't have any more money to give you. This is what I got. Can you have work with it? And it's not about price. Like I told you, I was in the airport. I spent like $85 on alcohol, like sitting like 3 drinks, and then I remember saw the little Girl Scouts. Oh, I was like whipping out. Oh, come on, bro. Then I had another couple of guys. Can you give us $20? Give them $20. It's not. You know what it is? It's just misplaced priorities, man. So that's why I want you guys to go evaluate your business. Like, who's looking for a job right now? Who's looking for extra money? Who's just at a job where you're working the hardest and you got people around you who are just lagging? You just wonder, hey, why don't they get rid of that person? Be rest assured, that person who's lagging at work, that'll reflect in their home life, and they'll go off half-cocked, and you may have a murder-suicide situation. Just hopefully make sure they do it at home or you ain't at the office when they snap. That's all it is, man. So, like I told you, a lot of women, they're about to dump a lot of guys. I told you, I'm 51. I think a lot of women between 50 and 60, they're about to dump a lot of these husbands. What you used to having, if the woman can make as much money as the guy now, do you really need to have someone telling you what to do, like I'm the man and being masculine? That's why the girls go out with the bi guy, the gay guy, or hey, let me just go out with this guy who's fucking everyone else, get what I need, get back to work making money. If it works out, he can hang out, we'll get married. If not, we can pretend to be this boyfriend, girlfriend stuff till I get tired of him and get rid of him, put a hit out on him or something like that. So I'm telling you, so that's the only thing that's going to keep you safe as a guy. Got to be a good listener. Got to sell yourself every day. You got to bring home the cheddar, man. You ain't bringing home the money, I'm telling you, man, you in trouble, my friend. You in trouble. All my brothers, all my white, Asian brothers, you're in trouble. Because I like reading this one article, like on Facebook, this girl, she's going to dump her husband. I'm just like, gosh, she's just like, couple, hashtag couple this, hashtag couple, hashtag you going to get divorced, man. Come on, anytime you put that much attention to saying you love someone, come on, man. I'm 51. I've lived with 2 women, one going out with 2 fiancés. I know all that stuff. When you start saying you love someone, just say, honey, I have an affair. That's why I'm saying I love you. I don't know why I'm saying I love you. I should either just dump you or keep it silent, but I'm trying to have my cake and eat it too, and I ain't got the guts to. So get rid of me. Get rid of me for just bringing it up to you and admitting it. So I'm just telling you, life is all about sales. And the sales game has changed because now you got to just do like corporate America. You just got to hit to the people, to the point where people just hate you. Why do you keep advertising? Why do you keep advertising? Until finally they say, just like the girls, hey, okay, I'm going to go with you. I know you're sleeping with her. Still going to go with you. You better deliver or, yeah, it's my fault, but I know what I'm getting into. But just let them know this is the price, same as the product. And I know I got to make good if there's anything that goes awry. You know, you got to make good on it. Most of the time, make good on it. So whatever. Let's just do it up. I've done that a couple of times, made good. Sometimes you got to just pay the price. Here's the check. Done. So today is just me ranting because I've had like a lot of calls and a lot of problems with my problems. But most important thing is cold calling and getting out of obscurity. First thing this week, I'm learning not to whine. I realized I was a coward, so I just learned how to just deal with people not talking to me, hating to me. I get more haters. I'm starting to get more haters, which means I'm doing a great job. Because more people that like you, that means they're safe around you. And you don't want everyone to be safe around you, especially the guys kind of like a little bit off. You want them to like fear you just a little. This is fun. I was watching these old videos from like the civil rights days. All these white guys are like 10 or 15 white guys getting up on a brother, man. It reminded me when I got jumped, like when I was in high school. I had 6 or 7 people jump me. That's how I got this, man. They were, instead of the white brothers from the 60s, I had the black brothers from the 80s jump me. Bah, bah, hit me with the stick. I mean, I had to break into someone's house to avoid getting killed. So I'm like, man, those brothers were rough. Those brothers used to take some ass kicking. That's how they kept getting it. They kept following up. Gay people, Magic Johnson, women with money. In the end, it's like, this is what I want. I'm going to keep hitting you and hitting you. I don't care. Hitting you and hitting you till finally you get what you want. So think about that today. Subscribe, comment. Let me know. Do you think I'm like off my rocker today? Do you agree with what I'm saying? Do you think follow up? Just contact follow up. And just have to learn to get that in your mind because we're not taught that. So subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think. Email me, martching2018@gmail.com. martching2018@gmail.com. Let me know what you think.